Okay, we are in
I'm in
New
a parking
Rochelle.
lot.
What's today? What is today?
Today is Thursday,
Thursday,
the 22nd.
April. It's not the 22nd. You're like 2 days off, bro.
No.
He said the 22nd.
Well, wait a minute.
Can you erase
The
that? so I don't know?
22nd.
Oh, it just changed to 24. All right. That was a day off, not 2 days.
Oh, that's right. Yeah, God, I guess I did come in this morning.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, but anyway, we are in New Rochelle, and I haven't seen Sandy in who knows
How you doing?
how long. How long?
How you doing?
Sandy and Tony. Actually, I just happened to be coming to New Rochelle, and I was trying to figure out where I could park because it was too late to make it to my hotel. So I was driving around a lot, and
This is really
see
sad.
this right back here. Cars running.
This is really
That's
Tony's
right.
car's running. Sandy and Tony were in the car.
We do have music playing.
Oh,
I could
wait,
turn
wait,
it up.
Mr.
They weren't waiting for me. They were surprised to
Make it
see
sound
me.
better than that.
No, they were waiting for me.
Yeah, because he missed his flight. Come on, the truth is going to come out now. He missed his flight.
That's right.
Went downtown, missed one of his interviews.
That's right. Wait. First of all, interviews that I was conducting, they weren't like job interviews or anything like that. But interviews that I was conducting, I did miss one. Yep.
Whatever, yo.
Yeah. But anyway,
Way too
All right,
long to
yeah.
put on Facebook. Okay.
That's it.
Okay, that's what you want to say.
that's it. Wait, there we go. There we go.
Yeah, okay, good. How
Let's
you
see.
doing?
But anyway,
30 years I waited for this,
30
y'all.
years. That's right, 30 years. But you can see that we were having a great time here in New Rochelle.
We had our great time with our apple martinis. I don't know if he had a great time on the FDR in traffic.
No, I was behind 100,000 taxi cabs. Yep, and they were having their way with me too, because it's been a long time since I've driven.
on the FDR.
been a-
Now Struthers.